Welcome back. I am Deepin Puriwal and you're watching the Savera. The death toll from Africa's ongoing Mpox outbreaks has reached 260 since 2025, with total cases surpassing 24,200, according to the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. During an online media briefing on Thursday evening, Nagashi Nongo, who's chief of staff and head of the executive office at Africa CDC, said that the African continent has reported 24,272 Mpox cases since the start of the year. Of these, 6,034 were confirmed and about 260 related deaths were recorded. Data from the African Union Specialized Healthcare Agency show that in the past week alone, 11 African countries reported 2,610 new cases, including 664 confirmed ones and 45 new related deaths. Ngongo said that among the 22 African countries affected by the ongoing Mpox outbreak, 15 countries are currently experiencing active transmission of the virus, while 7 countries are in a controlled phase. Meanwhile, the Africa CDC has expressed concern about the challenges in addressing the Mpox outbreak in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo, where clashes have intensified between the DRC army and the March 23 movement rebels in recent weeks. According to Africa CDC, the DRC, currently the epicenter of the Mpox outbreak is reported 1,918 cases in the past week, including 202 confirmed cases and 44 new related fatalities. Ngongo highlighted the ongoing humanitarian crisis caused by the conflict, with more than 2 million people displaced, both internally and across borders. He warned that the situation is severely hindering efforts to contain the Mpox outbreak. He said that the conflict has disrupted laboratory services, hampered testing and reporting efforts, and that at least 605 active Mpox patients have fled treatment centers in conflict-affected regions. The Africa CDC also indicated that transporting samples has become increasingly challenging due to the humanitarian crisis. Mpox, which is formerly known as monkeypox, was first detected in laboratory monkeys in 1958. It is a rare viral disease typically transmitted through body fluids, respiratory droplets, and contaminated materials. The infection often causes fever, rash, and swollen lymph nodes. Last week, the Africa CDC announced that the ongoing Mpox outbreak in Africa remains classified as a public health emergency of continental security. The Continental Healthcare Agency initially declared the Mpox outbreak a public health emergency of continental security in mid-August last year. Shortly afterward, the World Health Organization also designated the viral disease as a public health emergency of international concern. Stay tuned for more updates only on Savera, and do like, subscribe to our channel and download the Savera app.